Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. So in this video, we're gonna look at how to get easy $50 bonus from Go2 Bank. So it's probably one of the easiest bonuses, and later in the video and in the comment, I will share the link so that you can use that to get this easy $50 bonus. So let's take a look what are the requirements and step-by-step process to get this $50 bonus. So there are mainly 4 requirements to get this easy $50 bonus. First of all, you need to make sure you did not previously open a Go2 Bank deposit account. That means you need to be a new customer to open a deposit account. Then you need to open your new Go2 Bank account using the referral link. So I couldn't find any direct link. If you find a direct link, you can use that. But I'll share the referral link where you'll get $50 and I'll get also $50. So you need to open the account using the referral link that I'm going to share in the comment by December 31st, 2026. So when you click on the link, it may say sometime December 31st, 2025, but don't worry about it. This is from their website, which says December 31st, 2026. Then you need to receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 plus. So minimum $200, then it could be $200.10 or whatever. So it should be equal or more than $200 within 45 days of account opening. So you need to look at here, it is saying direct deposit, but you can try sending from different external account. It works sometimes. You just need to send the money from external account in case you cannot send from your employer or payroll provider, and you wait for a couple of days to see if you got the $50. Basically they're saying that they're going to be depositing the money within 48 hours. So you can send from external account and see if you got the bonus. If not, then you need to send from the employer or from your business account. I sent from my business account and they considered this as a direct deposit. So you need to send $200 or more within 45 days, just one time. And you need to also make sure that your account is in good standing to get this $50 bonus. Now, when are you going to get this $50 bonus? So what they're saying, you're going to get this $50 bonus within 48 hours after qualifying funds are first deposited into the referred individual's new account, that means in your account. So you need to make sure that you need to count 48 hours, not Saturday, Sunday. Sometimes they do, but make sure this is business days. Now, what are the step-by-step process to open this account? Like I said, I'm going to share the link. So once you click on my link, then you're going to come to this page where you're going to see open an account. So you click on that. Then you're going to go to the next page where it's going to say that click on it, get it started. But if you already have a card, not the deposit account, if you have a card, then you're going to activate it. But if you don't have any of them, get it started, click on here. Then it's going to take you to this page where they're going to ask you to provide your email address. So you click on that. Then they're going to ask you your first name and last name, and that should match exactly as it is in your government ID. Then it's going to take you to the next page where you're going to ask your address. They're going to send you the card, and also you need to have an address in the file. So you check box this one, click on continue. Then they're going to ask for a mobile number. So you put your mobile number, use mobile number, and they're going to send you a verification code. So you click on that. Now the verification code that you're going to receive in your cell phone, you're going to provide this here, and then click on continue. Then they're going to ask your date of birth in this format, and then they're going to ask your social security number, which is the important one. So you provide your social security number, click on continue, and then they're going to ask you to create your password. So basically your user ID would be your email. So you put your password, make sure you remember your password because you're going to need it to log in. Put your password, click on remember me, and then click on create account. And then they're going to say your account is created and you will receive the debit card within 7 to 10 days. So you're also going to get an email that your account is ready to go. So you click on continue, and then you're going to this page where they're going to ask you add your money. You can add the money later. So click on go to my account, and here your account is ready. And then if you want to do the direct deposit to get this $50 bonus, or send the money from external account, don't do the pull transfer, that means you're going to ask this bank account to get the money from there. Do the push, that means take your routing number, account number, and go to your external account. If you want to send the money from your external account over there, you create the account where you want to send the money to. So you put the routing number, account number, or if you want to send from your employer, you go to their platform and you provide the bank account where you want to receive your paycheck. So this is how you're gonna get the $50 bonus by opening the account and doing the direct deposit or deposit of $200 or more. This is probably one of the easiest bank bonuses, so you should definitely get it. As you see, you can open the account in 5 minutes and set up the direct deposit of $200 or more, and you get $50. So basically it's probably a 10-15 minutes of work to get this $50 bonus. So it's probably one of the easiest right now. And here is the link that you can go to, or you can click on it, and later I will show you, I'll share this link in the comment as well, so that you can click on that so that you can get this bonus. So I hope this video is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, concern, and please do not forget to subscribe and share so that we can come up with more useful content. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.